Oh yes, hello. Now this was one of my best 5 colors that I've been using most of the times, as you can see, to those trending hairstyle that you're seeing right now. And I always get them from these hair extensions called Afro Bamboo. And now I would like we should learn this before going to our tutorial, because it is also very important that how many pieces are we supposed to use, and again, how are we supposed to achieve these hairstyles. And of course, before we go far, when we try to look at this color, this is 2350, and I think those ones who are the dark skin, you can also use this one. And again, still, if you have the chocolate skin, dark skin, you can still use this. And of course, you can also still use this color. It's also very nice. And now this is always my best because it is the off black. And when we go to the off black, why I always love about it, it's that it does not get dirty. Like all the time, it stays in this way. So even if it grows, it keeps on looking nicely. And of course, black is everywhere. We always use black. But just because the black, the only thing I have complex that I have about this is that whenever it grows, like maybe you overspray it, it might pull the dust. Those people who always stay in dust, that is the only thing. But the off black is always perfect. And now this one goes those mostly I wouldn't advise the dark skin to do this color, but all these ones, even if you're dark or light, you can use all these 4 colors. So now let's get through and we see how this one can be done.
A little loving, boy, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering.
Morris, the critic.
He got the touch of a critic master. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris, the critic master, did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chitayo. Engeri jonjo me, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no. Nobody do it like Morris.
First and foremost, whenever you see this extension, it looks to be very short. But when you see all those trending hairstyles that are seeing there, most of them are long, but we get them from this hair extension. How? So it means for those ones who are going to do the short one, like in our tutorial that we're going to be doing, we have to separate this like this. You see, you separate a half of it, not even a half, because a half it will be equal. So you separate a quarter. Then if it's a quarter, it means when I do it this way, this one is going to be the same size with this one and this one. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to manage doing it. So here is when you hold here, that's when we hold it and then we start doing it. And now if someone is going to do it in a long version, let's say like those twists, it means you're going to separate into 2. Okay, when you separate into 2, you make this looking like this, and then if this is also there, you join them from here. on top, just like this, to make this, and you start it with like this. This is going to be long. So as the moment as you're doing it, after it all, you just have to add in as you're making it very, very long. So after seeing all this, let's begin our tutorial, and I hope we're going to learn a lot of things when it comes to this tutorial. So please give me your time. If you're a first subscriber, this is your time to learn more of these kinky braids. So let's get on to our tutorial.
Tolina chongamba, number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimu bachikola from the art. Obukuku guapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujembiri bakuwa, balinga high grade kweva soma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Tolina chongamba. Clippers fire, yeah. Oh na na, Tolina, Tolina chongamba, 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 Tolina, yeah 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 yeah. Master Morris. You need some lico pampering. Omukono mukugo kumanyije kukora. Kitakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu ewa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, jangu.
Yeah, it's Boris the hair zipper, the crochet master. Yeah.
It's so light as a tango on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah, so stylable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl. I love my hair, I love my crochets, I love my looks. Oh yeah, it's coach and twist. It's easy to maintain. It's washable, light on your head.
For the ones that make us smile every day. Pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. And we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. We give it out to like you with the best to none. And ya wakana ruleta to jakula game bidi twazitenga. Tuliba big ballers, shot callers to call a kwaba baze ulida. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy.
Now, when you reach in front, this is also very, very important. That I always tell you guys that the extension that you use should be equivalent to the hair that is parted, because when you try to look at the hair that I'm parting in front, you can see like it's really it's big, like the hair is enough for the extension to be held for all the time that this person is going to stay with this hair. So my advice is, let's try to make sure that the extension we use should be equivalent to the hair that we are parting. Not like we're using a bigger extension, but when we're going to add on we are using a big extension but on a small parted hair. That is wrong. Like when you part a few hair and then you add on a bigger extension, that is not going to work. Because if we continue using that, our hair is going to break as when you try to keep this hair for long. So we always need to make sure that you can see the extension that I'm using right now. I already know that according to what I'm from parting right now, you can see like the hair is really huge and is going to hold this hair extension for all this time. Okay, so we should always mind the hair extension before doing our pattern. And of course, if you want it small, also our extension is also going to be very small to achieve this hair. But let's keep the method of the inward very well, because it is the one that is going to protect our hair and we shall manage this hair. It might not come out very nicely when we use the knotless method. Let me try also to make this very serious, because when you look here, this one gives it that body that looks very nice. So now if you try to do it in a knotless way, it might not come out, because the knotless, remember, it has got a small tip from the beginning and at the end it becomes very big. But when you look at this, it comes from down looking the same up to the end. Then after it all, we also have to make sure that we lock our braid again to give it that that finishing You understand, the finishing looking very, very nicely as the way you can see. So this is what it looks, and you can see how amazing the braids looks like. And I always tell you that this is so amazing. So as it grows, it looks nice, and even anytime she feels like locking, it can always be very easy for them to lock it the way they want. And yes, this is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Yes, and I would like to welcome all the return subscribers. Thank you so much. But please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to like it. And again, if you have any question that you would need to ask me, maybe you might go right down in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible whenever I see your question. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. May the Lord bless you all. And this was the inward knotless. Others call it the underhand method. And yes, guess what? It's all the method. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.
Buno bubiro bulungi bulina kawuka ku mutwe, siganye envirizo mpanvu naye obusiba mwatuno nyuma. Long lasting and so washable, easy to style. Woba ozetaze, uwozisange kuwe zipa, yeah.